This simple mixture will make your oven look brand new. No heavy scrubbing required. Over time, burnt-on grease, residue, and stubborn grime build up inside the oven, and ordinary cleaners often struggle to remove them. Forget exhausting scrubbing with steel wool and spending hours trying to get rid of baked-on dirt. Instead, make this simple cleaning mixture. Take a large bowl and pour in a generous amount of green dish soap. Green dish soaps are often especially effective at cutting through grease, making them perfect for tackling kitchen messes. Next, add a small amount of vinegar. Vinegar helps dissolve residue and soften burnt-on grime. Then add a generous amount of toothpaste. Toothpaste contains mild cleaning agents that help remove dirt without scratching surfaces. Also add a generous amount of baking soda. Baking soda helps break down grease, neutralize unpleasant odors, and loosen stubborn buildup. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a thick paste. Once combined, the ingredients create a powerful cleaner that can tackle even dried grease and tough stains. Apply the mixture to the dirty areas inside the oven. Using a microfiber cloth, spread it evenly over the entire surface and leave it for a few minutes. Then wipe everything clean with a paper towel or kitchen towel. You'll see grease and burnt-on grime start to disappear. Your oven will regain its cleanliness and shine, and by the end it will sparkle like new. It will look fresh, spotless, and as if it has just been professionally cleaned. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. These 2 citrus fruits will make your oven look like new again. It's a simple and natural method that helps you get rid of grease and burnt-on residue without using harsh chemicals. All you need is 1 lemon, sliced into thin pieces. This fruit is known not only for its high vitamin C content, but also for its natural cleaning and refreshing properties. Then take a lime and slice it as well. Lime contains citric acid, which effectively helps dissolve grease, remove dirt, and neutralize unpleasant odors. Place the sliced lemon and lime on a baking tray or in an oven-safe dish and put it into the oven. Add a small amount of water, just enough to lightly cover the bottom. Then set the oven to a high temperature and leave it for about 20 minutes. During this time, citrus steam will form, softening burnt food residue and greasy buildup on the walls. The steam reaches even the corners, making cleaning quick and easy. After that, simply wipe the inside with a damp sponge or cloth. The dirt comes off effortlessly without scrubbing, leaving behind a fresh citrus scent. It's the best homemade way to get a clean and shiny oven without effort or wasted time. The simplest way to a clean oven. From now on, your oven will always shine like new. Just try this simple trick. It works every time. Prepare an oven-proof dish and place it in the oven. Pour half a liter of water into it. Then squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the water. After that, squeeze another lemon. Put the lemon peels into the dish with the water in the oven as well. Set the oven temperature to 150 degrees Celsius. Turn the oven on for an hour. After that time, slightly open the oven door. Wait a moment for the oven to cool down a bit. Dip a clean cloth into the dish with the lemon water. Gently wring it out and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to the heat and the lemon's ingredients, the grime will come off easily. With this simple trick, your oven will sparkle without using any chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. The oven has never been so clean. I've never cleaned my oven this easily before. I'll never scrub it again because it's a waste of time. It turns out you only need 3 ingredients and a clever use of natural chemical compounds. Cleaning a burnt oven can be really annoying. Grease and burnt food residues stick to the inside, and once they cool down, they're very hard to remove. Instead of using harsh chemicals, you can do it with this trick. Place a heat-proof dish on the oven rack. Pour in boiling water. Then add about 2 cups of vinegar. It's a brilliant natural degreaser. Slice 1 lemon into thin rounds. Lemon has antibacterial and disinfecting properties, and it also smells beautifully fresh. Add the slices to the dish and close the oven. That's when the magic happens. The steam spreads the ingredients and coats the oven walls. For an even stronger effect, set the oven to about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. The steaming water softens the burnt-on food, so you won't need to scrub anymore. After about 30 minutes, open the oven and wipe it with a wet sponge. The dirt and grease come off immediately. This clever method always works. Instead of throwing the peels in the trash, I toss them into a dirty oven. I spread them out, turn on the heat, and wait for the result. Next time you bake an apple pie, try it yourself. Apple peels, just like the whole fruit, contain malic acid, known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and mildly whitening properties. It is a completely natural substance that effectively removes greasy stains from the inside of the oven. To use its benefits, simply spread fresh apple peels on a baking tray and place it in an oven heated to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For an even better result, squeeze the juice from half a lemon. Add about 10 ounces of water and 10 ounces of vinegar. Mix these 3 ingredients. Finally, pour into a spray bottle and mist the oven. After half an hour, remove the dried peels, wait until the oven has completely cooled down, and then wipe its interior with a damp cloth. It is important to use fresh peels, so you can clean the oven right after baking an apple dessert. Just toss the peels onto the tray after taking the cake out and wait a moment. The acid from the apples will do the work. Clean your oven while you sleep. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. It works every time. Start by removing everything from the oven. Prepare a bowl and pour in 1.5 liters of hot water. Place the bowl in the oven. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and salt helps remove residue. Stir the water and vinegar mixture. Leave the prepared oven overnight. The heat from the water and the properties of the vinegar will dissolve the grime without you lifting a finger. The next day, dip a clean cloth into the water and vinegar mixture. Squeeze it slightly and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to this simple trick, your oven will shine without the use of chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. Your oven has never been this clean.